Welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Natalia Agarwal. Many of you would know me. It has been a while since I recorded any video or we have come up with any new topics. So today I'm beginning again, and here it is about ANOVA and its variants. So first of all, we will learn about what is ANOVA. So if you remember, we have learned different types of hypothesis testing. ANOVA is one of them. ANOVA is analysis of variance. When you have three or more groups for which you need to test mean difference based on continuous dependent variable, then you choose ANOVA. It is a parametric test like other hypothesis tests that we have seen before, but it is for more than three groups, three or more groups, I would say. If you have two groups, you can use ANOVA, but you have t-test also for that. So no need to use ANOVA, but it's not that ANOVA can't work. So when whatever are your independent variables, they are known as factors. If they are categorical, all these are factors based on which you differentiate that whether the mean is different in the dependent variable or not. There are three types of ANOVA. One-way ANOVA, where you have only one independent feature. Two-way ANOVA, where you have two independent features. And N-way ANOVA, where you have more than two independent features. And remember guys, all these features need to be categorical. Your dependent variable is continuous, independent variables are categorical over here in ANOVA. But this is not always the case. You have some variables which are continuous also, which are continuous independent variable. At that point of time, what you will do? At that point of time, you need to use ANCOVA, that is analysis of covariance. It has single continuous response variable, that is your target variable or dependent variable. ANCOVA compares response variable by both factor and a continuous independent variable. So that's the difference between ANOVA and ANCOVA. Also, if you have only continuous independent variable, no factor is there, still you need to do hypothesis testing, then also you can use ANCOVA. Now there are situations where you have more than one dependent variable, dependent or the response variable. At that point of time, how will you do this hypothesis test? You can't use ANOVA, you can't use ANCOVA. Then we have a variant of ANOVA and ANCOVA. In counter to ANOVA, we have MANOVA. It is multivariate analysis of variance. A MANOVA is an ANOVA with two or more continuous response variable or dependent variable. The rest of the story remains same, that all your independent variables are factors only, are categorical only. You have one-way ANOVA where you have only one independent variable, two-way where you have two independent variable, you have more than two independent variable, that becomes N-way ANOVA. Now, if you have continuous independent variable along with your categorical independent variable and your dependent variables are more than one dependent variables you have, then you will use MANCOVA. Okay, so MANCOVA is multivariate analysis of covariance. Both ANOVA and MANCOVA feature two or more response variables. The key difference between the two is the nature of the independent variable. In MANOVA, you have all categorical variables. In MANCOVA, you have categorical as well as continuous variable as your independent variable. So let's have a quick recap. ANOVA, you have one continuous variable, that is your dependent variable, and your independent variables are one or more categorical would be there. Based on that, name will change. ANOVA, this is ANOVA. ANCOVA, you have one dependent variable which is continuous in nature, and you have various categorical, means you can have one or more than categorical features which are independent, and also you can have continuous independent variables as well. In MANOVA, the difference is that you have more than one continuous dependent variable, and independent variables also could be one or more than that, but they are categorical in nature. MANCOVA, you have more than one continuous dependent variable and your independent variable are categorical or continuous in nature, and they could be one or more than that also. They're independent variables. So this is all about ANOVA and its variant. I hope so that you have learned good deal of ANOVA over here, that what are these different names. There are a lot of confusion in the market, or there's a lot of myth about it. People confuse NV ANOVA with MANOVA, but that's different. So now you know this. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and let me know what are the next topics that you would like to view or you would like to learn. Thank you. We'll meet again.